In this video, I shared how I use the project xidx by Google and about two things I shared here. Which one is how I made the access for the cookies by third party, and the second one is how I am using it without installing the project idx via this thing. Please watch the steps carefully to do the process well, and I think no one ever told this work via YouTube or other process. So please be careful. It will be like the code sandbox or code anywhere, and you can also create your own projects via online without installing the process by like VS Code. So follow the steps. If you have any further doubts, you can ask me via ABAnuSara blog in comment section. In the description, I also mentioned about the links of my Instagram account. You can also share it there. And thank you for watching. Please watch the steps carefully.